applications are complex systems, and traditionally they have been built as monolithic entities, which performed all the logic, all the aspects of that application. And what that does is it makes them hard to operate, hard to build. If you want to make change to one part of that system, then you need to make sure that everything else is aligned as well. And as a result, you cannot update those applications quickly enough. You cannot build them quickly enough. You cannot release updates quickly enough. And what's been happening with this microservices trend is to break up the functional components of that otherwise monolithic application into individual pieces, which are more manageable, which can be built by different teams, which can be revised and operated differently, so that you don't have the unnecessary heaviness and complexity because of those components being together. Conceptually, applications are packaged into these smaller, more manageable building blocks by containers. And that aligns perfectly with microservices. Each microservice can be nicely packaged into a container, and which has a well-defined interface. It can be independently built. And what you have now are these Lego blocks of components that you can compose together based on how you want to construct your application landscape. So that gives a lot of flexibility. That cuts the cost of operations. It also it's first of all cheaper. It's simpler, faster, and it is more portable. Because the application is now decoupled from the underlying platform, you can take these applications and the components modeled as these Lego blocks across clouds, on-prem and cloud. So you are very infrastructure agnostic or infrastructure independent. So that's what's driving the adoption of containers in enterprise.